Hi, what are you going to cut?
I cut calamari for my soups.
Oh, you make soup today? Wow, very good. You cut calamari. Wow. It's not too big?
Not too big.
Not too big. Ah, okay. You cut slowly, huh? Careful your hand. You make soup today?
Yes.
Oh.
Wow.
Put on the board and cut it. Yes, and keep separate.
And now we have to cut it
Too big. Yes. Cut one more time.
Yeah.
Hey, no problem. Cut one more time.
And the tiny size.
Yes.
I make my soups.
Cut and separate. Yes. One more time you can cut. Very nice. You make your own soup.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Cheers.
See, very good. Very good. This all you cut?
Yes.
Wow. Very good. Here, cuttlefish. It's cuttlefish.
It's really nice.
Very fresh, na? Okay. Keep. You have to wash your hand again. Okay, wash your hand. Slowly, huh? Wow. Dumbbell. Dumbbell. Cutting dumbbell. You have to cut very small, very big this one. Cutting dumbbell. Yeah, what do you call this one? Dumbbell. Ah. Okay.
Wow. Finish.
Wow, calamari soup and calamari cow pot. Yes. Everything put onto the pan. Yes. Very good. Switch on the fire. How you switch on the fire? Press and turn. Press and turn to a right. Press. Turn. So, naughty chef. Don't do like that. This will be go out and you will get hurt. You will run away, but house will burn. How is chef? Short chef. Hey, short chef. What are you doing on the floor? Okay, now you have to add onion, garlic, ginger, coriander. So we have to add everything into the pan. So go ahead. Add everything to the pan. So you grab it. Grab it to down. Yes. Put everything fast. So you burn your hand. Oh no, you have balance. Wasting money. Everything. More. Fast. Yes. Okay.
Short chef.
Short chef. Yeah. Okay. Short chef. So after that, take one spoon and mix it.
Together.
Long way. Yes. Mix it slowly. We make. Calamari soup.
Can I put calamari?
Calamari, yes. Calamari you can put later, not now. So, short chef, kitchen is hot?
No.
Not hot. Oh, if you hot, you can switch on exhaust fan. Yes. So what we do? What kind of soup? What kind of soup? What is the soup name?
Calamari.
Soup calamari. Soup.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what happened? Make sure your fire is there, okay? Low fire. Okay, chef. How is the taste? Can you check the salt? Be careful, huh? Yeah.
Very good taste.
Very good taste. Okay. So, chef, next we add.
Tomato.
We don't have tomato here. What does we have? Carrot. We have to add carrot. Okay. Okay. Sure. Slowly add carrot. One time, boom. One time, yes. We add carrot now. Mix it slowly. Very hot, yeah, because you keep spoon in on the fire, so you have to be very careful when you touch. You have to raise. You have to be very careful, huh? Okay. So you want to change the spoon? You can change. Okay. Keep away. What is your name? Huh? Excuse me, short chef. What are you doing? Hello. Hello.
I'm Jolly.
You drink water. You feel hot? You feel hot? Oh, okay. Next, what you add? Huh? Water? What you add for soup? Huh?
Calamari.
Calamari. Okay, add calamari. Slowly, huh? If you no, don't touch. You have to add like this, okay? Hold it on the cup and add it. No touch. Add like this, same like you add before.
Oh, yes.
Hey, Doti. You have to be very careful, nah? Mix it. Slowly mix.
Yes, calamari.
You have to mix it. See, mix it. Yes. How it is?
Yes, calamari. Can you picture?
Oh, very good. What is that?
Calamari.
Calamari. Okay. When you cook, you not touch your nose. When you cook, you not touch your nose. When you cook, you not touch anywhere else, okay? You only touch food. If you touch something, you have to wash your hand. If you have to touch, you have to touch and wash your hands again. You right? Sokapok. Chef Sokapok. So you have to add same like before. Grab it. Everything one time. Yes. Mushroom. Enoki mushroom. Yes. And mix it. Very good. Mix it. Mix all the vegetable and calamari. So next we have to add soya sauce. So which one you like? Maggi? Maggi soya sauce seasoning? Or we have some other brand? Thai brand? You prepare Maggi? Okay. Little bit more. Little bit more. Enough. Mix together. Mix, mix, mix. You don't take spoon back out. When you mix, you have to mix slowly, not touch the pot. When you mix, you have to touch spoon like this, mix like this, mix like this. Okay, not do like this, like this. You have to mix slowly, slowly. Soup. Wow, looks delicious. So you can taste now if you want. Taste slowly, but not calamari. You have to taste the soup.
Yeah, calamari.
Yeah, very good. Check the soup. Soup taste.
Can I eat?
No, you not eat now. You have to eat your soup. So this one keep away and you check your soup taste.
This?
Yes.
Can you try?
You try your soup, no? You cook your soup. You try. Turn this side. I want to see. You say something to your soup or what? You talking with your soup? Eh? You have black magic? Okay, go ahead. How it is? How it is? Aroy mai? Aroy mak? Okay, okay. Let's see, Papa. You have to wash your spoon when you put back. You have to wash. Okay, so Papa check. Look. Soup look like a Maldivian Garudia. Aroy, yeah? Nice taste. Oh, good. Okay. The soup, how it tastes, then finish, we can take it out. Check last time. Okay, enough. So finish, close the fire. Switch off the fire. Off, turn, just turn. No, other side. Yes, power, more. Yes. So take it out. No, I take it out, it's hot, no, that's why. So I keep here. Come. So short chef, you have to move your very far. Okay. Okay. So put in your cup slowly. Calamari. Wow. What is this? What is the name?
I don't know.
Eh? You cook? You don't know what you cook?
Wow.
Take the soup.
Wow.
Take the soup.
Soup, please. Wow. Wow. Wow.
So you have to take and hold it like this. there.
One.
What is this?
Soup calamari.
Soup calamari.
Calamari.
Oh, very good. So this is soup calamari. You like it? What is the taste? You like it? You like it? How it is the taste? How it is? Tell me. How is your soup? So you're going to wash your hand? Oh, very good. Little, na? Not too much. You cut calamari after you wash your hand?
Yes.
Oh, very good. You're very short chef, na?
Can I wash?
No. Pot I will wash. So you wash your hand and close your tap. You're wasting water. Close the tap. Okay, I will help you. Oh, enough. No need to use too much. So you close your tap. You wash your hand properly. Oh yeah. Chef, what happened to you? Chef, what happened? Close your tap. Wasting water. You very short. Same like daddy chef. Okay.